In this video, I'll show you how to find a memo in Tonkeeper when sending or receiving Ton or other tokens. First, open the Tonkeeper app and unlock your wallet. On the main screen, choose the token or Ton balance you want to use. Then tap Receive if you are expecting a payment. Some exchanges require a memo, also called a comment or tag, to identify your deposit. Next, if you are receiving funds from an exchange, check the deposit page on the exchange. The exchange will usually show both your wallet address and a memo or comment that must be included in the transaction. Copy both carefully. Now, when someone sends funds to you from Tonkeeper, they can include the memo in the comment field. When creating a transaction in Tonkeeper, there is a field labeled Comment where the sender can paste the memo before confirming the transfer. If you want to view the memo of a completed transaction, open the transaction from your history in Tonkeeper. Tap the transaction details and look for the comment section, which shows the memo that was included with the transfer. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.